Today we're going to look at a new indicator. This is a custom indicator. It's called the Smarter MACD, or Smart. I call it Smart MACD. Now, I did not build this indicator. I got this from TOS Indicators. And I will leave a link to his video in the description below so you can get a full explanation and watch how he built it. Now, I did make a couple of tweaks to it, and I'll explain those in a moment. But what this Smart MACD, this right here, does is take all this MACD information, condense it into one easy to look at and read line. Except, like, I'm on the 2-minute time frame here. This is giving you your inputs based on the 2-minute time frame. This one here is giving you your inputs based on the 5-minute time frame. So let's look at why it does that and why that's a good thing. So let me go ahead and get rid of this bottom one here. I'm not going to go over all the code and all that. If you want to watch how I built it, again, the link's below. But what we have here is we have a MACD condensed to a line that looks back at a higher time frame than what you're actually using to get its readings for you, to show you what it's doing. Now, why is it using a higher time frame? Well, higher time frames are generally more reliable than your lower time frames. You got more weight in a higher time frame than you do a lower time frame. For example, I'm on a 2-minute chart. This is looking back and giving me information as if it were on a 5-minute chart. So let's look at what this is doing real quick. I'll just get to the skinny of it real quick. So in this time frame mapping, it's always looking back to something higher than what you're actually on. So if the current time frame is less than 5 minutes, then it's looking back and using the 5-minute MACD for calculations. If it's less than 15 minutes, greater than 5 minutes, less than 15 minutes, then it's looking to the 15-minute MACD. 30 minutes, greater than 15 minutes and less than 30 minutes, it's looking to the 30-minute MACD. Greater than 30 minutes, less than an hour, it's looking to the hour MACD. And then from there we go to day, week, month, and year. So that's what it's doing. Now, if we go look at the settings for this thing, we'll see that there are a few settings here. We have lever and mode. Now, lever tells you, lets you select how quickly you want this Smart MACD to react to price. And mode tells you how long you want it to wait before it gives you some change in its signals. So we have fast, medium, and slow, aggressive, and conservative. Now, the way I have it set up right now, I have it set on fast and aggressive 2-minute time chart. I found that this is a great one for day trading. But this works on any time frame, 2-minute, day, week, whatever. It works on all that. And you can play with these and just kind of see the changes, how it makes the changes. If you're swinging stocks, you might want to put on conservative. The changes I made, he had this set up where it displayed fast, slow, medium. I just changed them in a order that made more sense to me. That's one tweak I made. And the other tweak I made in the code itself, he had arranged the cases the same way as fast, slow, medium, and I just rearranged those cases so anybody looking at the code might make it a little bit more sense. In the code, he's using, for the fast lines, the information you're getting, he's using 2 exponential moving averages, the 3 and 8. For the medium, he's using 2 exponential moving averages, the 10 and the 20. And for the slow, this is where it gets a little different. He's using the simple moving average. He's using the 12 and 26 on that. So that's what this does. You can play with it. You see how well this is tracking this move in the NQ here. It's letting me know, hey, it's probably safe to go short. Hey, it's probably safe to go long. Hey, it's probably safe to grab a little short here. Now, he did not, another tweak I made, he did not have the zero line in it. I added the zero line back to it. You have the ability to change the color the zero line, change the color, width, however you had the ability to make edits on that as well. I like using the zero line because that tells me, if we're under the zero line and I want to go long, it lets me know to be a little cautious, maybe tighten up my take profit a little bit. And if I'm above the zero line and I want to go short, same thing. I might want to tighten up my take profit a little bit because the move, if you know anything about the MACD, moves tend to be really great long above the zero line and a little bit less so when you're going short above the zero line, vice versa for below it. So that's what this thing does. You can try it out. You check any time frame. It's doing the same thing. Different time frame, any time frame, and it's always looking back. Again, let's look at those look back periods, so you can get it in your mind. Whoop. Let's look at those look back periods. If it's current time frames, anything less than 5 minutes, it's using the 5-minute MACD for calculations. If it's less than 15 minutes, it's using the 15 minutes. Greater than 5 minutes, less than 15 minutes, it's using the 15 minute. Greater than 15 minutes, less than 30 minutes, it's using the 30 minutes. Greater than 30 minutes, less than an hour, it's using an hour. Greater than an hour, less than a day, it's using a day. Greater than a day, less than a week, it's using a week. Greater than a month, less than a month, it's using a month. Greater than a week, less than a month, it's using a month. Greater than a month, less than a year, it's using a year. You can go into the code and add additional ones if you so wish. You can change your moving averages, say from 3 to 8 to 5 to 8 on the fast, slow. You can do that. Just go. It's real simple to do that. Change the moving average to what you want them to be. Just go in here, right click. You can find it in here, right click, or you can right click right here, edit source, and you can go in here and change your moving averages right here. You can change this to exponential if you want. It's fine too. I'm just leaving it because I did change it to exponential, and then I was comparing them side by side. And it seems like just the way he did it, he just did it. It's better, in my opinion. And here's all the times. You can just set it if it's greater than a week or less than. Greater than a week, less than a year. You can use 6 months or whatever. You could put those lines in there as well. I did add this zero line right here, and I changed the cases here. I just put it in range of fast, medium, slow. He had fast, slow, medium, and the input here I changed from fast, medium, slow because he had fast, slow, medium. So those are the only changes I made. And to get this for ThinkorSwim, I'll just put a share link in the description below as well. You'll have fun playing with it. And hey, come back and leave a comment. Tell me how you like it, or if you don't like it, whatever. Leave a comment about it. Be sure and like this video. Smash that like button for me, please. Help the YouTube algorithms find this channel. So leave a comment. Subscribe. You guys have a good day.